Fusion 360 keeps adding license restrictions, and SolidWorks costs more than your printer. If you want real parametric CAD without subscriptions or paywalls, 3 completely free options actually deliver: FreeCAD, OpenSCAD, and SolveSpace. FreeCAD is your best all-around choice. It's a true Fusion 360 alternative with parametric modeling, assembly workbenches, and STL export quality that's identical to commercial software when you set deviation to 0.01 millimeters or lower. The interface is cluttered and the topological naming problem still exists, but budget 15 hours and you'll be modeling functional mechanical parts. Version 1.0 is fixing the biggest frustrations. OpenSCAD takes a completely different approach. You write code instead of clicking buttons. If you're a programmer or need version-controlled design files, this is perfect for parametric libraries and algorithmic modeling. SolveSpace is the fastest to learn for simple mechanical parts. Limited features, but the constraint-based sketching is excellent and STL export is clean. Each tool works differently but solves the same problem: parametric CAD without paying for software. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.